could form a perfect window through the valley and what lies beyond. I could run for miles inside my pillow, and